Hello, good morning, student. I am your sir S.G. Matpati from Government PP High School, Jamkandi. Dear student, in this COVID situation, you are all staying at home. You should stay at home and learn by social media. Dear students, once again, I welcome to you, all of you, my social classes. Dear students, in this video, I want to teach you ninth class English medium history chapter first, that is Christianity and Islam. Dear students, there are so many religions in the world and India also. Dear students, will you write the religions of the world? Yes, you can write in your notebook. Also, you write religions of India. I hope you already written. Your writing may be Christian, Islam, Jainism, Hinduism, Sikh, Buddhism, so on. Dear student, now we do one activity, that is few religious and sacred books or show I want to show you in this video. The Hindu is one of our religion. Hinduism is our one of the religion of India. The holy book of Hindus is Bhagavad Gita. Yes, student, you observe some pictures of Bhagavad Gita. Dear student, now we come to understand next one religion, that is Christianity. Christianity is another one religion. The holy book of Christianity is Bible. Bible is the holy book of Christianity. Some pictures. Here is Bible. Books are also I want to show you. And some pictures also I want to show you. Dear student, next we understand this is also some pictures of Christianity. Dear students, now we come to understand Islam. The holy book of this religion is Quran. You see some pictures of Quran. Next we come to Buddhism. The holy book of Buddhism is Tripitaka. Tripitaka is the holy book of this religion. Here you can see some pictures of Buddhism. Next we can understand Jainism. The holy book of this religion is Kalpa Sutra. Yes, student. Jainism, The holy book of this religion is Kalpa Sutra. You observe the picture, and now we come to understand Parsi. The holy book of Parsi is Jand Avestha. Okay, dear students, now we observe the map of world. In the world map, we can see red color and green color also here. This is mostly lot of spread colors. Red color shows the Christianity spread over the world, and you also see green color. Green color is also spread so many countries. Green color shows Islam. Okay, student, Christianity and Islam are the important religions of the world. They are also known as Semitic religions. Dear students, do you know the prophets Jesus Christ and Muhammad Paigambara guided their path of truth through the sacred books of Bible and Quran. Dear students, now come to understand about the Christianity and its teachings. Since ancient times, one can observe the birth and development of various religions in world history. Hinduism, Jainism, and Zoroastrian religions were developed in various centuries of BCE. BCE means before Christ era. And spread across the world. Though Christianity and Islam were established after first century CE. CE means Christ era. Christianity and Islam have become major world religions. They are known as Semitic religions. Semitic religions means the people of Middle East are known as Semitic races. The Christianity and Islam basically originated in Central Asia and spread to different parts of the world. Christianity was established in the beginning of first century Christ era in Nazareth province of Palestine. It was under the reign of Roman Empire. Jesus Christ was the founder of this Christianity. Before the arrival of Christianity, the Jews of Palestine had become slaves. So superstitious practices. They were subjected to various hardships due to the misrule of Romans. In such a situation, Jesus Christ was born and founded Christianity. Early life of Jesus Christ. The birthplace of Jesus Christ is Bethlehem. It is near to Jerusalem. He was born in poor family. He was born in poor family of Joseph and Mary. He did not get proper education, but he acquired a lot of religious knowledge by his extraordinary power of intelligence and interpreted the holy book of Jews in a simple language. Dear students, now I give clarification. Some important points are here. Dear students, the birthplace of Jesus Christ is Bethlehem. You observe the world map. You observe the map of Israel. The Bethlehem comes in Israel. It is also nearest to Jerusalem. Yes, observe the map. Dear students, Joseph Christ also influenced by John. At the age of 30, he come to under the influence of John and was baptized by him. He enlightened the people in distressed by divine teachings and made them psychologically strong. This made him very popular, and the people and he was known as Messiah. Messiah means what? Messiah means who would save from the problems. Who saved the people from the problems. Yes, dear students, now time for you. Think and answer the questions. First question, which is the birthplace of Jesus? Yes, you write your answer in your notebook. And second one question, who were the parents of Jesus? Yes, dear students, you are very good. Yes, check your answer here. Dear students, first question's answer Bethlehem, and second one Joseph and Mary. Dear students, now we understand about crucifixion of Jesus. The priestly class of Jews opposed this. They complained against Jesus Christ to the governor of Roman Empire, Pontius Pilate, charging him of treason. After trial, he was taken to Golgotha on a Friday 7th April 13th AD by Roman soldiers. And in the next point, Jesus Christ was crucified on Friday. Therefore, this day is called as Good Friday. It is called as Good Friday. Okay, take down the notes. This is very important point to you. Do you know, student? Jesus was crucified on Friday. Therefore, that day is called Good Friday. This is the crucified situation. Observe the picture. Dear students, now continue the lesson. Jesus Christ preached about God in simple terms. Traveling across Palestine region between his 30 years and 3 years as today Christian churches are found throughout the world, and followers of that religions are increased. The worldwide we see lot of churches are, we can see it is a worldwide religion. The Bible is the scripture of this religion. Jesus laid the foundations for this religion. In this religion, peace and comparison in human societies here. Dear students, this time for you think and answer the questions. Only 2 questions are also here. You read the question and write your answer in your notebook. When class starts, that time you show to your teacher. First question: where was Jesus Christ crucified? Yes, you write your answer in your notebook. Second question is also here: which is the scripture of Christianity? Yes, dear students, check your answer here. Here is answer. Where was Jesus Christ crucified? The answer is on the hillock of Golgotha. Second question answer: which is the scripture of Christianity? This is the question. Answer: Bible. Bible is the answer. Dear students, now we can understand teachings of Jesus. Jesus Christ touched some points gave to the society. Very important points are here. Dear students, some points are here. First point: God is one and He is the most merciful. He is the creator of entire creation. Second one: everyone should develop brotherhood feelings about others. In third point: loving the people who are in distress is equal to worshipping God. Fourth one should serve others without expecting anything from them. Teachings of Jesus is continued. In fifth point, serving people is equal to the worship of God. Sixth one, if one repents for his mistakes, God will forgive him. Then, love your enemy, do good to the people who try to harm you. Yes, dear students, now extended activity work is here. Please collect the information of any famous church in India and discuss about it in your class. Thank you, student. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.